So we are at Hidden Cove RV Resort, Arley, Alabama. It's just a little bit outside of Birmingham, Alabama, on Smith Lake, I believe it's called. They got quite a few sites here, mostly 30 amp at the moment, but they are building. If you can see across the way there, they have a lot of sites going in that are all level gravel sites, full hookups, 50 amp. I didn't get the exact number how many sites they got going in, but they're doing the construction on it now. You can see a couple people parked at the new ones, but they do have a lot of sites they're adding on here. A nice quiet campground. You're about 30 minutes from Jasper, Alabama, which is where your Walmart and grocery store and that type of stuff is. So you're kind of a little bit away from civilization for the most part. But nice quiet place. This is a Thousand Trails park also, so that's one of the reasons we came to stay here. Was we're part of the Thousand Trails membership. So anyway, nice quiet place. We've been here for a week. They do have laundry room, bathroom facilities. They have a clubhouse right over here. I'm sure they got activities and things in there. When it's summertime, maybe a little warm. It's winter now, so it's not a whole lot going on. They got a really nice playground over by the laundry room and bathrooms. And like I said, it's on the lake, Lake Smith. So you got lake activities you can do too. So check it out if you're ever in the area. Nice little campground to stay at. Nice quiet place.